to make homemade henna and banana hair pack for hair growth and thickness. For this remedy, you will need the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons henna and 1 ripe banana. To prepare henna and banana hair pack, dilute 2 tablespoons of henna with water to get a thick paste. Let this soak overnight. You can also use leftover henna for this mask. In the morning, mash a ripe banana in a bowl and add the soaked henna to it. Set this aside. Now, wash your hair with your regular shampoo and switch your conditioner with the henna banana mix. Later, apply the mixture to damp hair and leave it in for about 5 minutes. Then rinse your hair out with cool or lukewarm water. For best results, you have to repeat this method once a week. Benefits of henna and banana hair pack. This hair pack helps make your hair glossy and more manageable. Banana helps in reducing split ends and conditioning your hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.